In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use index match formula in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to use the formula. This can be any workbook as long as you have the data you want to search through already available. In this example, we'll be working with a simple sample table placed in cells A1 through B4. This sample data includes employee IDs in one column and employee names in the next column, which makes it a great setup for understanding how index and match work together. Next, click on cell D2 and enter the lookup value you want Excel to search for. In this example, type 102. This value represents the employee ID we want to find in our data table. Keeping the lookup value in its own cell is useful because it lets you change the value later without rewriting the formula. Now click on cell E2, which is where the result will appear. Here, enter the index match formula. Type an equal sign, then index followed by an opening parenthesis. After that, enter the return range, which is B2, B4, because that is the range containing the names you want returned. Then type a comma and enter match with another opening parenthesis. For the lookup value, select or type D2. Then add a comma and enter the lookup range A2, A4, which contains the employee IDs. Add another comma, type 0, and then close the match function with a parenthesis. Finally, close the index function with one more parenthesis. The completed formula should return the name that matches the employee ID entered in D2. Before pressing enter, it's helpful to understand what's happening here. The match function looks through the ID column and finds the position of the value 102. Then the index function uses that position to pull the corresponding name from the names column. You can also adapt this formula for your own spreadsheet. If your lookup values are in a different column, replace A2, A4 with your actual lookup range. If the value you want returned is in a different column, replace B2, B4 with the correct return range. And if you want to search for a different employee ID, simply change the value in D2. Now press enter. Excel returns Mary, because that is the name associated with employee ID 102 in the sample data. And that's it. You've successfully used index match in Excel to look up a value and return a matching result.